As Carl Jung once said, colors are the mother tongue of the subconscious. Colors not only help depict emotions and moods but also help represent our traditions and cultures. The physical world and the psychological world are a rainbow of chaos. Colors represent our emotions and reactions. Emotions are closely related to our ability to perceive our feelings and moods. Each color has a different meaning, and that includes both positive as well as negative. Um, do you feel anxious when you see color blue, or does the color makes you feel calm and collected? Artists, designers, and nowadays even website developers believe that color can dramatically affect moods, feelings, and even your decision making. Color is a powerful communication tool that can be used to signal action, control mood, and even direct physiological response. It's strange how much we don't understand the impact colors have on our lives on daily basis. But how exactly colors work? How can color impact mood or behavior? Well, color psychology is the study of how colors affect our actions and decisions. And before we take a closer look at the study of colors, we need to consider one important factor, one we often overlook, and that, my friend, is culture. Cultures, when you grow up, influence your reactions to colors. One color can be considered auspicious in some cultures, wherein the same color can be a sign of bad luck for other cultures. With this in mind, let's take a look at some of the interesting ways in which colors affect our lives. Number 1. Colors can be stimulating or calming. There are two ways color can be perceived: warm and cool. Warm colors like red, yellow, or orange can increase excitement, but seeing too much warm color can become annoying. If you are tired, then warm colors can help you improve your mood. Cool colors are more popular when you are looking for feelings of relaxation and calm. Lighter shades of green and blue can be relaxing for you. Number 2. Colors have different meanings. The reason behind this is culture. Many colors have symbolic and cultural associations, even if you for once ignore the influence of colors. For example, in Western culture, the color white is considered auspicious color that represents purity and innocence. But in Eastern cultures, the same color depicts mourning and loss. However, there are some colors like color red that may symbolize aggression and love in almost all cultures. This can make the interpretation of colors challenging for some people. Number 3. Colors can influence decisions. Color psychology is not only used by psychologists to determine emotions, but nowadays website designers and marketing agencies also use color psychology to work in their favor. In some research, it was studied that you are more likely to purchase a product with red packaging or labels. Just like this, color orange represents affordability or fairness. Next time when you go shopping, notice that stores with the color orange as their theme will offer good value and fair price. Have you noticed that most skincare products are in white? Ever wondered why? Well, the reason is that color white represents purity. Well, trust me, this is something that you should definitely pay attention to next time. Number 4. Colors can make you feel confident. Did you know that colors red and black have been voted the colors which inspire the most confidence? Yes, that's true. People around the world prefer to wear black when presenting at an important meeting or showing up for interviews. Women prefer to wear red on a date as it makes them feel more comfortable and confident, whereas men are more likely to wear color blue, not only to impress their date but to also make their date feel comfortable and calm around them. Number 5. Colors can boost happiness. Certain colors can increase the feelings of contentment and happiness. Can you guess which one color can increase happiness naturally? Let us know your guess in the comment section. Well, if you guessed color blue already, then let me tell you, you are right. This color universally is known to spread happiness. Yellow is another color that is known to increase feelings of happiness and friendships. One constant symbol of happiness. Can you guess what it is? Yes, the classic smiley face. Although yellow is best used in small amounts, as too much yellow can become too bright. Keep in mind that there are colors that can also have the exact opposite effect. If you dislike a certain color, then there's a chance it will make you unhappy, even if to the world it would bring a sense of joy. Did you know that the color brown is the least popular color as it represents laziness and dirt? Can you guess the second most hated color? Stay with us to know the answer. Till then, you can guess it and write it down in the comments below. So, no matter how we live or what we choose, colors can impact our lives and decisions, even if it is done subconsciously. Remember, each person is different, and so your reaction to certain color is bound to be different. Why is that? Because colors influence our individuality. Apart from this, the culture we have grown up in and around also influences our decisions and response to different colors. You can use this video as a guide to help you decide how to use different colors to your advantage in your daily life. Well, what's your favorite color and why? Let us know in the comments below, and let us find your favorite color twin in the comments. Wait, before you go ahead and share this video with your friend, let us take a look at the answer to our previous question. Can you tell what is the second most hated color? Well, this might come as a surprise for many, but apart from the color brown, the color orange is one of the most hated colors. I wonder why though, cause I love orange. Did you guess it right? Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned with Calm Sage for more such interesting videos. Hit the like button and let us know what do you think about the influence of colors in our everyday lives in the comments below. Take care, stay safe and keep smiling.